Hello everyone, welcome back to our English lesson. Today we visit a busy office. It's a global company with people from many countries. Listen carefully. You will learn new words about work and kindness. Are you ready? Let's start. Good morning, Kenji. How are you today?
Good morning, Lily. I'm fine, thanks. The office looks so clean and bright.
Yes, it does. Someone cleans it every night.
Really? I never see that person.
His name is Mr. Santos. He comes at night after we go home. Hi, Lily. Hi, Kenji. Are you talking about Mr. Santos?
Yes. Do you know him?
A little. He's very kind. But today, he looks so tired. Tired? Let's ask him. He's over there, near the door.
Good evening, Mr. Santos. Are you okay? You look very tired. Good evening. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why? Do you sleep at night?
Not much. I clean this office at night. Then, early in the morning, I work at a shop.
2 jobs? That's very hard.
Yes, it's hard. But I need the money. Can I ask why? Maybe we can help. My daughter starts school this year. School fees are expensive.
Oh, I understand now. You work so hard for your daughter.
Yes. She's my whole world. I don't mind the hard work.
Kenji, Priya, we must do something for Mr. Santos.
I agree. But what can we do? We can't give him money directly. He's too proud.
What about a surprise? An office appreciation day for him? That's a great idea. We can say thank you and give a gift together.
Yes, and it won't feel like charity. It will feel like a thank from the whole team.
Let's ask everyone in the office to join. Every small amount helps. Good idea. Let's keep it a secret. It's a surprise, remember?
Hi, everyone. Can I talk to you for 1 minute?
We also need a big card. Everyone can write a kind message.
Thank you so much for your help. You're all so generous.
Let's meet after work tomorrow. We'll prepare everything together. Shh. Mr. Santos is coming. Everyone, get ready.
Good evening, Mr. Santos. Please, come here for a minute. Good evening. What's happening? Why is everyone here so late?
We have something for you. From all of us. This is a small gift and a card. Thank you for your hard work.
For me? I don't know what to say. Please, open the card first. Thank you for your hard work and your big heart from your work family. This is so kind. I feel very happy right now. Thank you, all of you.
You're welcome. You're an important part of this team. We hope this helps with your daughter's school fees.
This helps so much. Now, I can rest a little more. You deserve rest, Mr. Santos. And you deserve kindness, too. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for caring.
Wow, what a kind. Mr. Santos worked very hard for his daughter. Now, a question for you. What is the best lesson from this story? A. Always ask for help. B. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. C. Work 2 jobs to earn more money. Think about your answer. And now, tell us, have you ever helped one quietly without saying your name? Write your story in the comments.